Hi guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, which is Unpacking with Mishak Mate. So today I just want to discuss the issue of Mbuyiseni Ndlozi and Julius Malema. We know for a fact that Julius Malema has been advocating for General Mkhwanazi to appear in Parliament so that he answer certain questions in regard to the allegations that he made about the top officials of the SAPS, which as a result, we saw a lot of top officials being placed on leave, like Commissioner Shadrach Sibia. So now, after Julius Malema publicly called General Mkhwanazi to say he must appear in Parliament because now he made the mess, he must fix the mess. So Mbuyiseni Ndlozi came with gun blazing, in response to what the Julius Malema is saying. Because when you remember very well, Gerald Mkhwanazi made those allegations. I think it was back in March, but nothing happened. Like from that moment or that period to now, it's only now that Cyril Ramaphosa has announced that there will be a commission, Madlanga Commission, looking into SAPS. It's only now that the likes of Julius Malema and other members of parliament are now gunning for General Mkhwanazi to appear in parliament, even though like he was available from March since he made those allegations, but none whatsoever. He was not asked to appear in parliament. It's only now that there is this commission that is going to appear. It is only now that even parliament is calling General Mkhwanazi to appear. So Mbuyiseni Ndlozi responded to Malema, going as far as calling it hypocrisy. So I will just read maybe the first two paragraphs, but I think there's the one that caught my eye. Okay. Yeah, I think it's paragraph, or rather, yeah, it's the last point. So it says, now they take the platform true to their hypocrisy and act like they care. No, they don't. We know this because they had since March to do something. They did nothing. They must not irritate us here with belated purpose, grandiosity. They can wait. They must wait. They will wait. So Mbuyiseni Ndlozi is calling the likes of Julius Malema to say, hey, hold on, you had all the time from March up until now, but you did nothing about this whole issue. It's only now that there is this commission. Now you want to summon General Mkhwanazi to appear in parliament and waste his time. So I believe, I support the view of Mbuyiseni Ndlozi. I believe that we must now allow General Mkhwanazi to appear in that commission and have all the time to prepare for that commission, and then after that, that's when it will be available for parliament. Because like Mbuyiseni Ndlozi said, or like I'm saying, that since March they did nothing, they said nothing. It's only now that they want to disturb the progress that General Mkhwanazi will be making in that commission by summoning him to parliament to do what exactly? Yes, we acknowledge that parliament must do its work in that form, but now I think they must let General Mkhwanazi to go to the commission first, so that he doesn't contradict himself. Like, I think it will be only fair for him to start at the commission, because I believe the commission will be more far important than appearing in parliament. Although we've seen with the Zondo commission that we didn't get anything from that commission, but we believe maybe on this one we might be able to get something. So I believe he must be given time. I believe Mbuyiseni Ndlozi is right in calling that process a hypocrisy, because they had all the time to can do this. Why it's only now that they're so serious about this matter? So yeah, I stand with the thoughts of Mbuyiseni Ndlozi. I believe he's on point. Danko.